It's good evening, everyone. So the daily cipher just came in, so I want to rush this video so I can complete the daily cipher. Okay, so the cipher for today is swap, right? That's the code that's being cracked. So let's get this done as quick and so as easy as possible. Okay, three dots, one, two, three to get the S. Then the second one is W, which is dots, then press hold, and that is for W. A dot and a dash, dots and press hold. P, a dot, double dash, and a dot again. So click on dot, double dash, and press hold. So that's how it is. So we've gotten this price for today. So take the